Alright, what is up, We're back in the video, and today we're going to be diving into how to earn Microsoft points or Game Pass Ultimate for free on your Xbox. Now, a lot of you may already know this method, and no, this is not a exploit or any of that stuff. This is legit. This is from Microsoft themselves. So yeah, you will not get in trouble or any of that. Plus, it actually works, unlike a lot of generators and stuff like that. But yeah. Basically, what you want to do is you want to head over to the search bar. You want to type in rewards, right? Rewards, like Microsoft Rewards. And you should find this icon, and you want to download that into your, obviously, hard drive, which I already have that downloaded. Then you're going to be greeted with this sign, right? Now, what you want to do is they have a whole lot of set goals and stuff. Now, obviously, you want to sign in with your Microsoft account. Obviously, and if you don't have a Microsoft account for some odd apparent reason, go make one and link it to this. And yeah, so as you can see, there's a lot of special offers, like they have weekly sets, which I already done already. It gives you like 100, right? You see they have little checklists that you can do, which gives you a certain amount of points. Like for instance, just clicking on Sonic Colors Ultimate, it'll get you 10 points and stuff like that. And you just want to do different tasks and stuff, and that would easily get you to where you want to go. And let me go back, and you could see that it has a weekly streak. So once you hit a certain point, once you do this like pretty much every day, you will hit a certain streak, which will give you a certain amount of points in return every 10 weeks. So as you can see, every 10 weeks I get 200 and 500 points off the bat, which is pretty awesome. It's like an extra bonus thing. And you will also be rewarded for getting achievements. So let's say you play a game and you got your first achievement or whatever, you can go back to this and just click here and you'll get 50 points automatically every single day. So it's pretty good. And down here we have your offers. They usually have like a monthly poll you can do, easy 10 points. They have a sale going on, which you spend 50, like at least $50 on the sale in total, and you will get 5,000 points during this whole event. Same with like punch cards like this. Let's say you play Apex and you are already thinking about buying DLC. You can head over here, activate the punch card, purchase the Apex points, play the game, and you will automatically get 250 points. Easy as that, right? And yeah, same with Cold War and Psychonauts. Now here's the thing about Psychonauts, right? Let's say you're already going to purchase the game already, like regardless if you even knew about this, right? You're still going to buy the game. You can come over here and you can actually just get an additional 6,000 points simply by just getting it from here. So you can activate the punch card, purchase it, and then you get 6,000 points. Now let's go over to the daily rewards, right? This is how you earn. Now you have a maximum of 150 points on PC and a maximum of 100 mobile searches and 20 Microsoft Edge bonuses. Now the way this would work is you will go to either your desktop, your laptop, even your Xbox if you have if you have Explorer or something like that. So ideally what you want to do is go over to Explorer or anything, and you want to just use Bing to search up stuff, and every time you search up, it takes 2 searches equals 20 points, and you basically get that until once you reach the 150 threshold for PC. Same with the mobile search, and you get the 20 extra points by simply using Microsoft Edge. So that's pretty good. Now I'm going to show you can make extra points simply by playing the games, right? So you want to go over to the Game Pass app. I'm going to scroll all the way down. So once you reach quests, right? And what quests are is exactly what it sounds like. It's different tasks that allows you to get points in return. So they have monthly ones, they have weekly ones, and daily ones. Like something as simple as, hey, play a game on Xbox Game Pass, you know. So if I fired up theoretically a game on Xbox Game Pass, I will get like at least 5 or 10 points just by simply doing that, you know. And obviously it adds up. So yeah, this is an easy way. Like for instance, if you play The Evil Within, which is on Game Pass, if you don't have it, you kill 7 enemies and you automatically get 150 points as a bonus simply by playing the game, which is pretty epic, right? Go over to redeem. Where is it? Yeah, redeem, right? These are the picks for me, but let's scroll all the way down to shop, show all. And these are what you're going to be rewarded once you reach a certain level of points. Like for instance, this Xbox gift card, right, which goes all the way up to $100, by the way. So if you earn up to 91,000 points, you can easily get a $100 gift card. You can spend that on anything, whether that be games, DLC, cosmetics, whatever. It doesn't matter, right? And the same thing with Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. It goes all the way up to 3 months. But that's not all you can buy. You can also buy Game Pass on PC if you only have a PC. And my Amazon gift cards, right? That go all the way up to 10 bucks. So you can buy pretty much anything, right? And this ranges from Dunkin' Donuts gift cards to Taco Bell, Grubhub, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Starbucks, Domino's. Like, it really doesn't matter. So it's a really cool rewards program where you basically get rewarded simply by using Xbox. And not only that, just playing games you get rewarded as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you learned something. If you have any questions, comments, and concerns, be sure to display them down in the description in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more how-to tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one. 2 and 2 and I'm out. Peace.